Hi, my name is Ray. The video mainly talks about a physics phenomenon called the liquid rope cooling. In fact, when a viscous liquid like honey is poured from a height, it doesn't just flow the floaty, instead it cools up in loops like a rope. This happens due to the interaction between gravity and interest and viscous force. In the video, the creator used high-speed photography to show us details that are usually invisible to the naked eye. What looks like just a simple act of the brown honey actually contains many physics principles. This made me realize how amazing science is. Many phenomena are hiding in our daily life. We just haven't approached them closely. I especially like a line in the video. When you slow down, you can see the world in a deep way. This made me think that learning physics or automatically is not just like about doing calculus, but also about having curiosity and keen observation. In the future, I hope be like the scientists in the video, using experiments and technology to explore the natural phenomena we often overlook.
Hello everyone, my name is Jerry. I'm a civics student. Recently, I watched a very interesting video about the cooling effect. It shows why honey or syrup goes around in circles. When it feels down, instead of making a straight line. Before watching the video, I often thought this when I poured honey, but I didn't know why it happened. After learning about the cooling effect, I find out that it happens because of gravity, thickness, and the speed of the filling honey. When the honey touched the surface, it slows down and starts to moving in circle because it cannot spread out quickly. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Terry. After watching the video about the honey roll covering effect, I felt really surprised. I didn't know that something as simple as dripping honey could show such interesting science. I used to see honey fall in circles, but I never understood why. The video explained that honey is thick and sticky, so when it falls, the top part keeps moving down, while the bottom part slows down. Because of this, the honey starts to bend and make small rings or coils. I think it looks really cool, almost like a tiny golden rope spinning around. This video made me realize that science is everywhere in our daily life. Even small things like pouring honey can show how gravity and motion work together. It made me more curious about how other simple things might have science behind them too. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, it's Nick. Welcome to watching our oral report. And additionally, I am the team leaders. I'm also the team leaders. And now I want to. Oh God, it's too cold. Now I'm in my teammates' room in 457, and the AC is very cold. And now I want to talk about what are you doing? Talk about what I actually see in the video. As you can see, the YouTuber called testing shows that 4 patterns of honey flow down from low to high. And the 4 patterns called region in the video. And its names are viscous region, gravitational region, inertial region, and inertial gravitational region. These 4 regions occur in sequence from low to high. Then they discover 2 things. First region don't include the kinematic vectors of the fluid, and the 4th region is unstable. A coiling method switch back and forth between figure 8 and the loop pattern. And testing was provided a link to explanatory paper below the videos. I watch videos on the YouTube, so if you use VoiceTube and you can see the link. But it seems like you need some knowledge of physical mathematics to understand how it works inside. This video is actually chosen by my teammate, and I also appreciate the films here. What's that called? Right here, the pace and the complex symbols mentioned earlier are for use in papers and can be ignored, like omega 5 and the coiling part and the whatever. And the last and least, testing is not responsible for any extra shampoo you used in the bathroom.